India's data center market is exploding like never before. Driven by AI, 5G, cloud adoption, and skyrocketing digital consumption, the industry is set to double in size and reach USD 21.80 billion by 2030. Global giants like Google and AWS and Indian powerhouses like Reliance and Adani are pouring billions into this revolution. But what does this mean for investors? And which listed companies are at the center of this transformation? Let's break it down. The Indian data center ecosystem is expanding at lightning speed. The market is expected to grow from USD 10.11 billion in 2025 to USD 21.80 billion by 2030, with a CAGR of 16.61%. Installed capacity, currently around 1.3 GW, is projected to reach 2.4 GW by FY28. What's driving this boom? Explosive rise in internet usage, growth of 5G networks, increasing adoption of AI and cloud services, digital-first government initiatives, and behind this surge is billions of dollars in investment. Here are the biggest moves shaping India's data center landscape. Google is developing a massive USD 15 billion AI hub in Visakhapatnam. Amazon Web Services, AWS, has committed USD 8.3 billion, primarily into its Mumbai region. Reliance Industries plans to deploy USD 11 billion into AI-ready hyperscale data centers. Adani Group, through a joint venture, is targeting 1 GW of total data center capacity. Anant Raj Limited is investing USD 2 billion to significantly expand its data center footprint by 2031-32. This is one of the fastest growing digital infrastructure markets in the world, and listed companies are deeply embedded in it. Larsen and Toubro, L&T. A major EPC player, L&T builds large-scale data centers and offers multi-cloud solutions through L&T Cloudfinity. As India scales its digital infrastructure, L&T stands to benefit from long-term construction demand. Anant Raj Limited, a real estate turned digital infra company, Anant Raj is building and operating its own data centers. With heavy investments planned till 2031-32, it's transforming into a serious data center operator. Bajaj Projects Limited. This EPC company provides essential electrical and transmission equipment critical for powering hyperscale data center parks. As data centers demand massive power, Bajaj is strategically positioned. Data centers rely on uninterrupted power and efficient cooling. These listed companies supply those essentials. Kirloskar Oil Engines provides generators and cooling solutions, vital for power-heavy AI data centers. Cummins India, a top supplier of backup power systems. Continuous, reliable power is non-negotiable for data centers, making Cummins a long-term beneficiary. ABB India delivers electrification and automation solutions. As data centers seek energy-efficient operations, ABB's technologies become increasingly important. Blue Star and Volta's cooling is one of the biggest operating costs in data centers. These companies specialize in advanced cooling systems, benefiting directly from the rise of high-density AI-driven racks that require intense temperature control. NetWeb Technologies, a leader in high-performance computing, HPC, and AI hardware. They manufacture servers and are building their own data centers, perfectly aligned with the AI wave. E2E Networks, an asset-light cloud computing company offering public cloud and AI/ML platforms, ideal for startups and mid-sized businesses. Orion Pro Solutions provides end-to-end data center design and builds. It also works in fintech and smart city infrastructure, two sectors relying heavily on digital data pipelines. Black Box Limited, a global IT solutions provider offering data center integration, cybersecurity, and networking services. Its expertise in complex network design makes it indispensable in large-scale facilities. Bharti Airtel, Nextra Data Nextra, operates 12 large and 120 plus edge data centers and is rapidly adding new capacity, targeting 400 MW by 2027. With backing from Carlyle Group, it's also focusing on renewable energy-powered centers to meet 5G era demands. Tata Communications connects 600 plus global data centers through submarine cables. It offers colocation, cloud services, and secure network connectivity, critical for multinationals operating in India. ESDS Software Solutions, a cloud provider known for its auto-scalable cloud platform. It serves both SMEs and large enterprises, making it well-positioned as cloud adoption rises across India. India's data center market is not just growing, it's transforming into a global powerhouse. With billions in investment, rapid cloud adoption, and AI-driven demand, the sector offers unprecedented opportunities.